Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to get hardware information on your Mac computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To get hardware information, click on Spotlight Search. In Spotlight Search, type Terminal. Now click on Terminal to open it. In Terminal, type system_profile HP hardware data type. System_profiler HP hardware data type. Now hit enter. Here you will find hardware overview, model name MacBook Air, model identifier MacBook Air 8.1, processor name Intel Core i7, processor speed 3.6 GHz, number of processor 1, number of core 1, L2 cache, then L3 cache, then memory, that means RAM 8 GB, system firmware version, OS loader version, etc. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.